Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $600 million. He has appeared in more or less 50 films so far. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise is renowned for playing daring and charismatic characters, often seen in action-packed and thrilling roles. Some of his top movies include Top Gun, Mission Impossible series, and Jerry Maguire. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Tom Cruise, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.